no, he doesn't pay over here.
Okay.
What's up, man?
What's up?
Didn't I arrest you do you have a ticket on you? Are you flying out? Were you the one dealing with that they're saying stole?
Yeah, because I use Google Wallet, like my online Google Wallet, so I lost my wallet. And it is a virtual number, not an actual. Yep.
You flew in from the D gates on a flight that didn't come from New Orleans?
And maybe it came from Alaska. I'm not.
Maybe you came from Alaska or New Orleans?
It may have been in.
There was no flight from New Orleans until 8:35 p.m. today.
But I know I have a day pass.
This case originates from an airport retail store on October 26, 2025. The final charge was legally sound, but how officers reached it raises a real constitutional problem.
My name's Lisa.
Hello, what?
My name's Lisa.
Your name is Lisa?
Lisa,
Okay.
I'm the one calling. That gentleman there,
Uh-huh.
he's going to that system there.
Okay.
After he's scanning, he close over here. Then he go back to the cancellation. He go back, cancel all, and then he cancel it. When he take the back scan the new one, go and kick like this. And then I try and get the receipt back. I cannot get the receipt back. But he didn't pay for it. He didn't take the, the card, trying to pay over here.
He didn't pay for the bag?
No, he didn't pay anything, and then he didn't pay the item. He got the one pillow, one blanket, one bag of candy, right?
Okay.
Yeah, he just pretended that he's paying, but he didn't.
But he pretend like he paid, but he didn't pay for it.
So you said it was one pillow?
One the $39.99 pillow,
Okay.
one $24.99 blanket, and one bag of candy, and the items over there, still over there. We put close to the register.
So he rang them all up, and then he canceled it.
And then he go to the system, right? And he put like this.
Remove items.
And then he remove all. The whole system kick back like that.
Okay, so, and there's no way for you to tell if he paid.
And then if he walk away with it, we can go back to our system to
Right.
go clock in
Yeah.
and print the receipt out, right? But he didn't do it, but he scanned a near back. We cannot retrieve it with the last purchase.
Okay. So how can I assist you?
Okay, right over there, and then the item we put close to the register over there.
Okay.
That
So did he give them back?
No, we didn't let him go, and then he tried to argue that he'd been paid.
That he paid for him?
Yeah, but
Okay.
we were suspicious that one of our co-workers, he's suspicious earlier. He kept in and out to see if he'd been paid for it, right?
The same person?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then he sit back over there, and then he come back. Then we've been watching, and then when I was standing over here, was watching real close. And one of our co-workers stand behind him over here, right? And then one of my co-workers say, "You cannot take it because you didn't pay for it."
Okay.
And I know how many items he purchased.
Okay.
He scanned this one, $39.99, and I don't know how much this
okay.
item. Yeah.
And then
And then the blanket here at $24.99.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then did he leave the store and you had to stop him, or?
He tried to walk away with it. One of my co-workers said, "You cannot go because you didn't pay for it."
Okay.
So
and then he came back.
No, we standing here. He trying to argue to get all this stuff. He said he did pay for it in his phone. This is not more than $100, right?
Okay.
But he trying to show me it's more than $100. One of my co-workers say, "How could he get the same bag? You know the bag, eh?
Yeah.
Exactly look like us. We had it. Did he have it? Did he buy it from here before?" I said, "I don't know." But right now,
Confronted directly, the traveler offers his account of what happened next.
Oh, gotcha.
So what happened was, I got a neck pillow and just a blanket, right?
Okay.
I'd already put the neck pillow in the bag because I thought I'd have enough in my bag for the blanket. Had already paid, realized I don't have enough space for the blanket, didn't really want to love everything around like this.
Okay.
So I grabbed the second bag to then put the blanket in, and it scans the bag, obviously because it has a barcode on it. And then you think I'm trying to steal. I'm like, no, I'm not. I show him that on my side, it's paid for the $74.91 that it was. And I was like, you know what?
Is there like a date or anything on it? Do you have, like,
No,
bank
not
app?
really, because for my Google Wallet. But yeah, and then I was trying to tell him, like, yeah, it's not going to pop up on your system.
This is the same explanation heard at the top of the video, and the officer presses further.
I tried to scan it again for him, because I was like, it's fine. I don't really care, I'll just scan it again.
Gotcha. Are you flying out?
No, I'm leaving.
Oh, you
That's what
flew
I'm
in?
Yeah.
Oh, do you have a boarding pass from flying in?
No, it was just a quick lunch. I had already thrown down when I was eating lunch.
Do you have like an email or something? Because I arrested you for trespassing like a month ago. Do you remember that?
But yeah, I just...
Come to last is going
I
to
was
be
literally in the
Mary
store.
Union Robert.
But yeah, I was in the store like an hour ago and I bought tea and I was eating lunch literally like right there.
Where'd you fly in from?
I flew in from New Orleans.
How long have you been here at the airport?
I want to say... I can pull up my Google Maps.
No, can you just tell me? You don't know how long you've been at the airport for? You just flew in, right?
Because my phone's been dead. I've been charging us only 6%.
Okay, so I arrested you for trespassing for being on the secure side illegally like 2 weeks ago or something. I don't even know if it was 2 weeks ago, a month ago. You were there. You remember that at the D gates, D3?
I don't remember.
You don't remember that because
No, I'm saying I don't remember you. That's what I'm saying.
you went to jail, right? For trespassing here at the airport.
No, I got in trouble with cops for. They said I was trespassing, but
You went to jail though, right? I took you to score jail.
Oh, well, no. I got out that day and I got thrown out.
Okay. Yeah, but you went to jail.
Well, that got thrown out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where did you have a driver's license from?
I have a passport from New Orleans because it's my city of birth.
Where
and I
have you
my
had a
under
driver's
18
license
from New York?
Okay.
Well, yeah, I offered.
Possibly
I
on
gave
New
them,
York
I offered
12.
to pay again, and they were just like, "No, you're still in." So I was like, "Whatever, I'll just take it."
Yes, this is the same guy. So I'm gonna let her finish her thing, and then I'm pretty sure he has no reason to be here at the airport.
I'm literally leaving. I've already landed.
When did you land?
I don't, cause my phone's dead. It's little on 7%.
No, I'm asking you. What
I
time?
don't know, cause my phone's dead.
Your phone is awake right now.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying when I got here, I literally landed, got my bag,
So-
and started charging it.
You couldn't tell me an approximate time. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours.
Right now, it's 7 p.m.
I
A
would
couple
say
hours ago, was it in the early afternoon?
I would say it was maybe early. I would say the sun was up when I got here.
The sun was up when you flew in. You just been
It
here.
may have been maybe 5, 6 p.m. at the latest. Because I got through security, I think maybe like 6.
Sorry,
7.
what was your first name again? What was your first name? Sorry, my name is
he
Officer
hasn't
Cedillo.
sort of-
You're being audio video recorded. Again, we're just here part of an investigation about some sort of items that hasn't been charged.
I gave them the
Oh,
stuff.
sorry, what was your first name? Okay,
showed me some,
so
like,
Mrs. again, my name is Officer Cedillo. We're just here trying to figure things out, okay?
I gave them the stuff.
Okay.
I'm not tripping. I was like, dude, if you want me to try to pay again,
So you already flew in. What time was that? It's already 7 p.m. You said the sun was
maybe
out.
like 5, 6 at the latest.
5 p.m. or something like that. Okay. And is Seattle your final destination?
For now, yes. But
Okay.
I'm flying back to New York.
You're flying back to. Do you have a ticket to fly back to New York or no? Not yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, so if you don't have any type of airport business as of right now, your goal is to actually officially leave the airport. If you're here with no airport business, that's a trespass and a subject to arrest. You understand?
I was literally purchasing something before I left.
Okay.
I literally just been at the store maybe like 20, 30 minutes ago to buy a tea to eat my lunch and was literally only coming back to leave.
Okay. Okay.
In the
I
shell.
was already on my way out.
Can I see the charge for here that you paid for it?
Yeah. On my side, I can't really take screenshots of my bank app because they don't allow that. But again, my phone was almost dying when I paid. If it was a mishap, I was like, okay, fine. Maybe my phone died while it was going through. Let me try to pay again. They just immediately shut it down. I was like, no, we're calling the cops. I'm like, okay, then just take this and I'll leave.
So you were trying to pay with your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So like just that tap to pay thing?
Yeah, it was literally just tap to pay and I'm on my way. So
Okay.
I'm like, dude, what is the
But
point?
but you have no way of showing on your bank account that it went through. I don't need a screenshot on your bank account. I just like if you go to your bank account, it will usually say the transaction of where it's from, because then that would prove that you paid for it. Do you know what I mean?
I use Google. I literally use Google Wallet. And Google Wallet doesn't really show. I don't know why. But Google Wallet's the tap to pay for my phone. I don't have Apple Pay because I don't have an iPhone. So it only really shows just I have to get it from my bank. And that's the screenshot on my bank app is it's showing that it went through. But I'm like, okay, cool. If my phone died, let me charge my phone. Let's try it again. I'm fine with that. They're just like, no, we're not doing that. We're calling a customer. Then take it. Then if you're not going to do that, fine. Take it. The purchase and go through. I don't care.
That co-worker is stop him. I didn't stop him.
Okay, perfect. That will be helpful. Hello, sir.
Yes.
My name is Officer Schedule.
Two separate legal frameworks are in play here: search and seizure law and Washington's theft and trespass statutes. Before police arrive, retail employees may detain a suspected shoplifter under what's called the shopkeeper's privilege. That privilege requires reasonable grounds, not certainty, that a theft has actually occurred. Once officers take over, the standard shifts to the Fourth Amendment's reasonable suspicion standard. That standard comes from Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968. Terry allows a brief investigative stop based on specific articulable facts. Reasonable suspicion is a low bar, but it still requires more than a hunch or a vague pattern. The next legal question is timing. When does a stop become a custodial interrogation? Miranda v. Arizona, decided in 1966, requires warnings once a suspect is in custody and being questioned. The test isn't whether an arrest was formally announced, it's whether a reasonable person felt free to leave. Berkemer v. McCarty, decided in 1984, applies this same test to roadside and on-scene encounters. In this recording, detailed accusatory questioning happened well before any Miranda warning was given. That sequence creates a real risk that key statements could later be suppressed in court. A motion to suppress targets exactly this kind of pre-warning, custody-level questioning. The arrest itself was for trespassing, not theft, and that legal choice matters. Under Washington law, first-degree criminal trespass means knowingly entering or remaining unlawfully in a building. This is codified at Revised Code of Washington, Section 9A, 52.070. It's classified as a gross misdemeanor, punishable by up to 364 days in jail. One statutory defense applies when a space is open to the public and all lawful conditions are met. A secured airport zone doesn't qualify because entry requires a valid ticket or an active pass. Simply claiming a day pass exists isn't enough on its own to satisfy that defense. That distinction is exactly what makes a trespass charge easier to prove than a shoplifting charge. Prosecutors generally favor charges with the fewest contested elements, and trespass fits that description here. Compare that to third-degree theft under Revised Code of Washington, Section 9A, 56.050. That statute covers property valued at $750 or less. It's also a gross misdemeanor, but it requires proof of an actual unlawful taking. A suspicious pattern of behavior alone doesn't satisfy that element without corroborating evidence. Point-of-sale video would typically resolve this evidentiary question quickly and conclusively. Without that confirmed evidence, a theft charge is significantly harder to sustain in court. That evidentiary gap is the most likely reason officers pursued trespassing instead.
Don't resist.
Don't resist.
He's up. He's up, dude.
Is your card?
As of right now, you are arrested for trespass. So all you gotta do is just listen up, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against us. Do you understand what I've told you? Okay.
Listen, if it was you, I don't.
No, I'm
remember your
saying
face.
you were definitely trespassing today. I'm saying what time did you find it?
I said like 5 o'clock. I have my pass. I'm supposed to be here.
All right.
I'm not trespassing. I can show my pass. I'm not trespassing. That's the one thing I know about this.
Let's take him somewhere.
Yeah. We'll have a seat right here. I have a seat right here, sir. Thank you.
I have both. I'm trying to show both. You can open my phone. It was dead. You guys saw me.
Whose name is this?
That's me.
No, whose name is it though?
Mine.
Oh, okay.
Okay, copy.
That's why I was going to get my
This is who you work for?
Yes, Amazon. I was going to get my passport updated because the one you have, that's my old name. That's my dead name.
Ooh.
That's why I was flying without a legal document.
When did you get this guest pass?
Today. It's for today.
No, when did you get the guest pass?
I filled it out 12 p.m. I know I was on the flight.
You were on the flight. Are you still sticking with that story that you were on the flight? What gate did you fly in from?
D, because that's where Camden Foods is.
The gate contradiction from the opening resurfaces here, and the questioning tightens.
No, I'm saying Alaskan Airlines.
Alaska?
I don't know what.
The flight from New Orleans today doesn't come in for another hour and a half.
Oh, I'm saying I don't know the airline.
That flight time contradiction shown earlier is the exact moment credibility collapses.
Can you?
No, you keep telling me you went on this flight. Tell me about this flight you went on.
I'm on my flight.
You're being honest with us, right? You're not telling us lies. That's another crime, right? So
I know.
you wouldn't do that, right? No. So what flight did you come in on?
I was on my flight.
What flight?
I'm trying to think if there's another airport for New Orleans that I could have flown out of.
Another airport that you could have.
No, I'm saying in the air because I know MSY is New Orleans, but I don't.
You want me to just look up any flights from Louisiana?
Yes.
Okay, let's
because I don't know if it's Baton Rouge or Monroe.
Yeah,
I don't know where exactly the
Louisiana.
place is for your passport.
Well, you know, Mr. Zelda, normally, right, you're spending hundreds of dollars for tickets. I think everyone as a thinking individual kind of know where, what airport we're going to, right? Because we're spending already a lot of money, it's a lot of time going into it.
That's fair.
Right? So that's the reason why he's just asking very simple questions.
I know.
Right?
I get
And
it.
that's the reason why you're at the position you're at right now, right? So if you just be honest with us, right? You're talking about all these different flights and you don't know where you're
Okay,
where
then
you're coming from,
we can forget the flights. We can forget the flights. I still had a date because when I told myself I wanted to get lunch, we can pull this up. I was at Camden Foods. I got sushi. I was at this store like 30 minutes ago and got tea. I was like, cool, let me fill out a day pass. So I have the day pass while I'm eating lunch. And then I was like, you know what, I'm leaving.
Yeah, cool.
I'm leaving. I already ate my lunch. I'm leaving. I'm like, cool, I'm just going to go to get a blanket, head pillow, call an Uber. I'm out of here.
Call an Uber? I thought your girlfriend was picking you up.
Uber? No.
That's what you told me earlier. Your girlfriend was
No, I'm
picking
saying, yeah, if she doesn't pick me up, let me call an Uber.
Oh, okay,
Either
makes
one.
sense. So you're just here hanging out at the airport all day?
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm about to leave.
No,
That's
but you
what-
said you were here like at what, 11 o'clock you said?
No, I filled it out. I said I filled it out at 11.
The manager.
From the manager. Doesn't matter either way. He's
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, let's
yeah,
get
you're still
him
better
out.
now. Come on.
going kind of
Alright. Can we hop on in? This is all the weird seatbelts now, so. Yeah. You have an ID or anything on? I'll say okay, cool. Are you taking care of Alright. Can I get my hood? Sir.
Oh yeah. I can take care of
How does the chest won't be clear?
Oh, for
Right here.
this one?
Yes, I just pull it off. Put it on. Oh,
Sorry.
Okay.
definitely trespassing.
Okay.
They're still working on the definition.
Okay.
Grading the officer handling the interview, A, C+. Charging trespassing over theft was tactically sound given the weak payment evidence. But extended accusatory questioning before any Miranda warning remains a real procedural flaw. Grading the subject, a D+. Repeatedly changing verifiable details, like flight times, severely undermined his overall credibility. Grading the store employees, a B+. Their account followed standard loss prevention procedure without resorting to physical force. 3 lessons stand out from this case. First, separate general questioning from custodial interrogation before deciding when Miranda applies. Second, charge selection should follow the strongest available evidence, not just an officer's suspicion. Third, inconsistent, verifiable statements matter more in court than emotional or subjective claims. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like covered in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more analysis of police and court interactions.